Okay, 7.3 is applications, word problems that involve quadratic equations. Okay, so they'll be written in words, you have to figure out how to set it up. Okay, so that's the trick of it. Okay, it says the width of a rectangular flower bed. The first thing you want to do when you see this is draw out a rectangle. Okay? Okay, the width of it, the width is 7 foot less than the length. So that would, the width, this is your width, will be the length minus 7. This will be your length. Length, width. Okay, so this is what we got from this. The area is 18 square feet. Okay. Can't see the square up there very good. Okay, area is 18 square feet. So the area is length times width, right? Of a rectangle. We're going to put this for length. Instead of width, we're going to put this. And we're going to put 18. Because the area is 18. So we have 18 equals length squared minus 7 times the length. So make it equal to 0, we're going to subtract 18. So 0 equals length squared minus 7 length minus 18.
Yeah, you can factor it.
You can factor it, right?
9 and 2.
Yeah, 2 and 9. 2 and 9, are they both negative?
Was negative, 2 was positive and 9 is negative.
Yeah. Biggest one's negative. So we have the length, this is a negative 2 and a positive 9. Are we going to have a negative length? No. So the length is 9, and the width will be 7 less than that. What did it want us to find? Both. Okay, what is our units?
Feet.
Yeah, that's square feet, so this is in feet. Okay. The length of an American flag. What shape is that? It's a rectangle, right? The length of a flag that is displayed at a government office is 3 inches less than twice the width. The length is 3 less than twice the width. This will be our width. The area is 1,710. 1710 square inches. Find the width and the length. Area, length times width. So we have 1710 equals the length times the width. Multiply that. 1710 is 2w squared minus 3w. Subtract 1710. It won't divide by 2, will it? ABC? Yeah. A is 2,
-3.
B is -3, C is -1710. Okay, negative B plus or minus square root B squared minus 4AC over 2A. A is 2, C is 1710, negative. If you didn't have negative, you'd be in trouble because you'd be subtracting a lot. B is -3. So we have 3 plus or minus 9 plus what? It's a big number.
1368.
You sure? 13?
Yeah, 13,680.
-4 times
13,680? Okay, I thought you meant 1,300 something. I'm like, are you sure? Okay, 13,000. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So add 9 to that. 13,689. Is that a perfect square? Take the square root of that.
Got 117.
It is?
Yeah.
Cool. So you got 3 plus 117 over 4. 3 minus is going to give you a negative, right? You can't have a negative length. So we have 3 plus 117 is 120 over 4, which is what?
30.
30? And these were square inches, so that's inches. Which is bigger, the width or the length? Length is always bigger than the width, right?
Yeah.
So this is the width. If you do 2 times this, and then subtract 3, you'll have the length. 2 times 30 is 60 minus 3.
57.
Multiply those and make sure you get the right square inches. Yep. There you go. That's probably the true dimensions of one of the American flags. I don't know which one it is, but they have big old huge garrison flags, and they have other ones too. I don't know which one that would be. Okay, the outside of a mosaic mirror frame. So the outside of the frame. So you have this frame around a mirror. The outside of the frame is 14 by 20. And this much area of the mirror shows. So this is a frame, but inside here, we have a mirror. This part's mirror, which is 160 square inches. So what's the width of the mirror? What's the width of this right here? Let's call it X. Because we don't know, so we're going to call it X. If this is X and this is X, then the mirror is going to be 20 minus 2X, isn't it? Right? It'll be 20 minus X minus X. How about this way? This will be X and this will be X. It don't look like the same, but it should be the same because it's a frame.
Minus 2x.
14 minus 2X. So the mirror will be this times this.